Just delivered a Anook 67 Buick Skylark. Came in on the tow truck. Good old no start. Haven't even touched it yet. We just got it off the truck and dropped it. Gonna see what we have going on. So we have power because the lights are on in the car. We crank, but we do not start. Fired right up and stalled. Let's see if she'll stay lit. Well, impressive so far. All right, it's up and running. Some idiot put a signpost battery in here. What was it? Nothing. I cranked it for like 15, 20 seconds so I could fuel up the car, gave it 3 pumps and fired right up. Not a damn thing wrong with it.
Hey, no, I mean, this thing sounds wonderful.
Some idiot, I was just saying, put a signpost battery in it. I hate that.
I don't get it either.
So, it's running. I got it up and fired up. It doesn't have a fuel tank, so that's okay for right now.
It's best to be fancy with these. Well, it's disgusting.
It's not here for a full inspection.
It's just here to get it running.
Yep, and it fired right up. I mean,
it runs wonderful.
It runs beautifully. What's up, Scotty? You liking it?
Sounds amazing.
I know.
This is one pretty car.
Needs a bath.
Oh yeah. Listen to that.
I know.
That's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
She's solid.
Yeah. She's one very beautiful car.
All right. I'm gonna get the license plate.
Okay.
Get the plates on it for him.
We'll give it a bath.
Give it a quick
I mean,
bath.
everything gets a quick bath to go out the door.
Tell him to
looking
come get
nice.
it because it's fine.
Yeah.
Shut her off. She's been sitting a little bit. Fires right up. Absolutely perfect.